Looking for the perfect way to celebrate Valentine's Day this year? How about combining love and crypto? That's right. Binance is making this Valentine's Day extra special with an incredible opportunity to share over $50,000 in rewards. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this is your chance to make your first crypto purchase and earn some sweet rewards along the way. If you don't already have a Binance account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. Here's how it works. From now until February 14th, Binance is inviting everyone to make their first crypto purchase. When you do, you'll automatically enter a pool to share in over $50,000 in token vouchers. It's Binance's way of spreading the love this Valentine's Day. Not sure how to get started? Don't worry, it's super easy. Just follow these simple steps. Sign up for a Binance account if you don't already have one. Verify your account to unlock all the features. Make your first crypto purchase using any of the supported payment methods. Sit back and wait for your share of the rewards. And the best part? The more people who participate, the bigger the rewards pool grows. So, don't forget to invite your friends, family, and loved ones to join in on the fun. Share the love, share the rewards, and make this Valentine's Day one to remember. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description below to sign up and make your first crypto purchase. Don't miss out on your chance to share in over $50,000 in rewards. This offer is only available until February 14th, so act fast. From all of us at Inehub and Binance, we wish you a happy and love-filled Valentine's Day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates. See you in the next video.